Pen is not available, ma. Please wait. Yes, those who have not understood this riverboat concept, I will revise that point. Right, vector diagram is important, ma. Slowly, I will write each and every formula in this riverboat concept. Right. So, riverboat concept first I have discussed regarding shortest path. Shortest path. Right. I have taken river is flowing in this direction, which is having some width d. Width of the river is given d. So he wants to boat person or boatman wants to reach from point A to point B, exactly opposite point. Exactly opposite point. River is flowing in this direction. River is flowing in this direction. VR is velocity of river. Velocity of water or river, we can say, right? So man wants to, or boatman wants to reach from point A to point B, exactly opposite point. So if he is moving in this direction perpendicularly with respect to river flow is in this direction, river will push the boat and he may reach somewhere this point. Right? But he wants to reach exactly opposite point. Shortest path I am saying here. So he must row is go steering. Row is steering in this direction. Means velocity of boat with speed river must be in this direction, VBR. VBR must be in this direction at angle theta. Then you may reach somewhere this point, exactly opposite point. Because with the push, right, you may reach this point here. Right? So here we have VBR, two components, VBR cos theta and VBR sin theta here. VBR sin theta is the horizontal component of VBR in this direction. VBR cos theta is in this direction. I will draw this vector triangle here or vector diagram here. This is VBR cos theta and this is VBR sin theta. VBR sin theta we got here. This is VBR cos theta here and VR is in this direction. VR is in this direction, VR. So here resultant horizontal velocity is VR minus VBR sin theta we got because VR is in this direction, VBR cos theta, sin theta is in this direction. Resultant horizontal velocity with what that boat is making some horizontal displacement is VR minus VBR sin theta. And here boat is taking some time to reach point B. Means the horizontal component of VBR is responsible for this component. VBR cos theta is responsible for time taken, ma. So time taken to reach that point AB is what my here the width of the river by VBR cos theta. Is it clear? This point is clear, na? Anything doubt you are having here? Shortest path. Shortest path, please. Sadia. Sadia, any doubt you are having, please ask me here, ma. Means you can chat with me here. This is width of the river. This is beautiful concept now. You should understand vector diagram carefully here. Vector diagram, if you are drawing perfectly, then total 99% of the problem will be solved. Right? Shortest path. So time taken in shortest path is width of the river by the vertical component of VBR, which is VBR cos theta here. Or you can write D by root of VBR square minus VR square. Is it clear? Right? This part. This is the velocity of boat with respect to river in this direction, and velocity of boat is actually by ground person. You will see boat is moving in this direction because it is reaching point B. It is reaching point B, exactly opposite point. Exactly सामने point को पहुंचना है. Exactly point A to point B. Opposite point को पहुंचना है. Means relative velocity of boat with speed river, if he is moving in this direction, then he will reach point B. So I resolve this VBR into two components, VBR cos theta, VBR sin theta, right? VBR cos theta is the perpendicular component along the river here perpendicular to direction of the flow of the river, and time taken can be calculated by d by VBR cos theta. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? All of you? Is it clear? Vector diagram I am drawing, ma. Vector diagram I am drawing here. Vector triangle is here. River flow is in this direction. River flow is in this direction. So this is VBR, what we got. Right? This angle theta. So sin theta from this right angle triangle, sin theta is equal to what, ma? VR by VBR. If at all, if they're asking angle made by the vertical with the VBR, with the vertical is sin theta is given by VR by VBR. If they're asking, you can calculate. If at all an angle is not given, you can calculate in this way. Here condition is VR must be less than VBR only. For this condition only, it's possible, ma. Minimum drift also we'll see now, right? And drift, what is drift here? Resultant horizontal displacement. X is called as drift, that we have derived yesterday. Drift is resultant horizontal displacement. Horizontal displacement made in time t is given by, right? Horizontal velocity I wrote here. This is VR minus VBR sin theta into t. What is t here? Time taken to reach that point B, d by VBR cos theta. Is it clear? This is the expression for drift. Horizontal displacement जो हो रहा है, that horizontal displacement, resultant horizontal displacement is called as drift. Is it clear? This point is clear. In shortest path, time taken in shortest path is d by VBR cos theta. If at all theta is not given, you can write in terms of VBR and VR. Is it clear? Vector diagram is clear now. Vector time, yes, time is not clear. Okay. See here, please. Listen, ma. Time taken to reach point B means only vertical component of VBR is responsible here. Only. I'm sitting on the ground. He will say boat is moving in this direction only. But river push will be there now. He will row his boat in this direction. Because of river push, it will move in. Means velocity of boat, actual velocity of boat will be in this direction. Understand it? That is actual velocity of boat, ma. So time taken can be calculated as d by VBR cos theta or VBG. VBG is the velocity of boat with respect to ground. Ground के person को क्या दिखेगा बोले तो boat is moving along AB. Finally, it is reaching B. Right? Ground person को क्या दिखेगा with respect to ground person? Boat is moving straight actually. Means actually it is moving like this, some angle theta. But because of river push, boat is moving in the direction. In that river push is there. Because of river push, it will reach in this direction. Is it clear now? Shortest path is clear. See, VBR cos theta is the vertical component of VBR, ma. Vertical component of VBR will be along this direction. So finally, it is reaching from point A to point B. Which component of velocity is responsible to reach point B of VBR? VBR cos theta. Is it clear now? VBR cos theta is strictly, it is dependable on this vertical displacement here. Right? D vertical displacement जो हो रहा है with respect to this VBR cos theta only. So time taken can be calculated as d by VBR cos theta. Is it clear? Now coming to x. X is the horizontal displacement. ऐसा move कर रहा है means resultant horizontal displacement is bound down. That resultant horizontal displacement is caused by resultant horizontal velocity components. VR is in this direction. VBR sin theta is in this direction. Both are in opposite direction. So VR minus VBR sin theta into t. As far as displacement is concerned, velocity into time. So here velocity is resultant horizontal velocity. Resultant horizontal velocity meaning VR is in this direction, VBR sin theta is in this direction. Resultant will be VR minus VBR sin theta because both are in opposite direction. into time t. Time t is here is d by VBR cos theta. Is it clear? Drift is clear. That too condition is VR must be less than VBR. Is it clear? Those are written already. No need to write ma. Just I'm explaining yesterday's part. Is it clear? All of you. Board is clear ma. Board is clear ma. My voice is clear. Okay, please check your device because other students are not giving complaint. Board is clear ma. As far as this camera is concerned, it's clear. Okay. Once again, I will explain drift. Drift is horizontal displacement caused due to the horizontal velocity components. This VBR sin theta is in this direction, opposite to the direction of river flow. River is flowing in this direction. So river is flowing in this direction, right? VBR sin theta is in this direction, component of VBR. Resultant horizontal component will be VR minus VBR sin theta into time. Time taken in both the cases same na. Finally, it is reaching from point A to point B. So time taken to make the horizontal displacement is what? D by VBR cos theta only. Is it clear? Please copy it now. Those have not understood yesterday, please I'm making clear. No ma, here actually VBR is in this direction, VR is in this direction. This is hypotenuse. From this right angle triangle, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Adjacent is VB. Adjacent is VB, that is equal to under root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Is it clear? If at all angle is not given in terms of VBR and VR, you can write VB. Is it clear? Is it clear? How we got root? It's clear ma. How we got root is clear. Please copy it ma. Now board is clear na. Board clear नहीं रहा तो मैं फोन करूंगा. Just wait ma. One second. And rubbing this one. I think this concept is clear, all of you. 708, 00065, 677, Sadhya, another student, please. Don't, I'm not calling names, please. Don't mind. Right? Only numbers I'm calling here. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? This concept is clear, all of you? Right. Shortest time also I have discussed yesterday. I will revise the shortest time also. Ninth problem, 10th problem, you got it, ma? Shortest time problems only, upstream and downstream concept. 8th problem they are given in exercise 1. Now shortest time means same case, same situation. River is flowing in this direction with a velocity VR and A from boatman wants to reach from point A to the opposite shore, anywhere on the opposite shore, means anywhere opposite side. So he is rowing his boat straight away like this, VBR. Because of river push, it will move somewhere here. It may reach somewhere here at some point P, at some point C. Is it clear? So velocity of boat with speed river in this direction, velocity of river in this direction, VBG is in this direction, ma. Right? Here I am not resolving any component for VBR. VBR is moving perpendicular to the river flow. Then only will reach opposite side very fast. Shortest time में आपको पहुंचना है, boatman को पहुंचना है A point से opposite shore. Right? So VBR in this direction, width of the river is given as T. So time taken in this case is what? Width of the river by VBR. Perpendicular velocity of boat with speed river is in this direction. That velocity, VBR, velocity of boat with speed river. Velocity of boat with speed river is responsible here. Velocity of boat minus velocity of river with speed ground. Right? Yesterday's concept, relative velocity concept. So VBR, boat is rowing in perpendicular direction river flow. Right? This is time taken in shortest time. Right? Time taken expression we got. Here, horizontal displacement BC. Horizontal displacement BC is caused due to horizontal river flow only. Because of river push only, it is making some horizontal displacement. Because of river push only, it is making horizontal displacement BC. That river velocity into time taken here, that is x equal to VR into d by VBR. This is the expression for horizontal displacement in shortest time. This is the vector diagram here. You should understand vector diagram properly. Right? Copy this one. You have copied yesterday and revised that point. Yesterday what we have done, I have revised. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Respond 708. 708. 677. Please respond, ma. सुने रहा ना सभी को? Can you? I am audible to you. I am audible to you. Respond, ma. I am audible to you. Yes, I am audible to you. Please respond now. Okay, thank you. Please copy it fast, ma. Already you copied yesterday. Right? This part also yesterday I have completed, ma. And 1 or 2 problems we have solved yesterday. We'll see some more problems after discussing rain man concept. Right? Can I rub this one? Can I rub this one, ma? Please chat with me, Amma. You can chat. You can chat with me. Is it clear? No means I could not understand. Which part? Which part is not clear? 708. Which part is not clear? Shortest time is clear. Okay. Which part is not clear? Please copy it, ma. Good afternoon. Fine. X is horizontal distance. It's good. It's correct, ma. Horizontal distance is X. Horizontal distance is X here. X is horizontal distance BC. X is horizontal distance BC. Is it clear? X is because boat with the river is moving perpendicularly. Because of river push, it is making some horizontal displacement. Because of river push, it is making some horizontal displacement. That horizontal displacement we got it as VR into T. The time taken is width of the river by VBR. Now it's clear. Now it's clear, ma. Good afternoon. Now it's clear. Those who have not followed yesterday, it's clear now. Shortest time is clear. Can I rub this one? This is X part, ma. In the diagram, this is X part. X क्यों रहा है? Why it is horizontal displacement making here? Because of river push. River जो है boat को push कर रहा है. Boat is moving this direction. River जो है boat को push कर रहा है. Means horizontal displacement is caused due to the river flow. From next time we'll see. X should be BC. X is not AB, BC. X is BC. Don't be confused. Horizontal displacement. X is BC. Draw the diagram, all of you. Then only it will be clear. Diagram is clear, all of you. Diagram clear hai na? Is it clear? Can I rub this part? Can I rub this part, ma? Okay. I'm explaining that diagram again. Say, river flow is in this direction and boat is moving perpendicular to this one. In shortest time, if boatman is moving perpendicular to river flow, then only will reach this point C fast. Right? So here, displacement, time taken to reach opposite point, opposite shore is D by VBR, ma. Width of the river by VBR. Velocity of boat with speed river. He is reaching point C. BC is called as horizontal distance or drift. That horizontal distance X is equal to VR into T. VR is due to the push of the river. Right? Boat is making some horizontal drift. That horizontal drift is given as VR into D by VBR. VR into time. Is it clear now? No need of derivation. Just understand the concept here. Right? I am rubbing this part. Shortest time I have completed. I have completed shortest time, ma. I have completed shortest time. Yes. After saying yes only I am rubbing. Please, okay? Downstream and upstream concept. Downstream and upstream concept. After that, rain umbrella case I will discuss, ma. Yes. Listen. Downstream and upstream. First I will explain downstream. After that, I will explain upstream. Here river is flowing. River is flowing in this direction with VR. 2 points are there. At a distance D. Listen ma carefully. Downstream. 2 points are there. At point A, boat is there. Right? velocity of boat with speed river is in this direction. Velocity of boat with speed river is in this direction. So he wants to reach from A to B. Downstream. Downstream means along with the river flow. So understand this point first. Downstream means along with the river flow, right? So VBR. So time taken in downstream ds. Time taken ds means downstream. Distance between A and B by VBR plus VR, because both are moving in same direction. Boat with speed river and river is also flowing in the same direction. Time taken in downstream can be calculated in this way. Time taken to reach from A to B, if boat is moving in the direction of river, downstream in the direction of river with the river flow is downstream. So time taken in downstream we got. Next, upstream. Upstream means boat wants to move from A to B. Distance D from B to A with VR. VR is in this direction now. This is upstream concept. This is downstream concept. Side by side I'm drawing here. Right? Distance flow from B. It is moving with the velocity VBR. So here VBR must be greater than VR, then only you will reach point B, point A. So time taken from B to A upstream is equal to time taken in downstream from A to B. Downstream is D by VBR plus VR. So here D by VBR minus VR. That's it. Because here VBR, velocity of boat with speed river, in its opposite direction to river flow. It will take more time here. It will take less time here because along with the river flow, it's moving downstream. Upstream means opposite direction to river flow. Upstream means opposite direction to river flow. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Please draw this diagram for upstream. Draw this diagram for downstream and write on the equation. Time taken A to B downstream. Time taken B to A upstream. Please make it a note, ma. Is it clear now? Yes, upstream means against river flow. Upstream means against river flow. Downstream means along the direction of river flow. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Very good. Please copy it, ma. If it is not clear, please, I will explain again. This is the formula actually. This is the formula here. You have not understood. I will explain once again. Just copy it now first. Downstream copy करिए, बाद में upstream explain करूंगा और एक बार कुछ भी difficulty रहा तो आपको समझ में आ जाता, please. I will explain once again. Say river is flowing in this direction. 2 points I have taken from A to B at a distance D. River is flowing in this direction. Velocity of boat with speed river is also in this direction, same direction. Then it is downstream. How much displacement or distance is moving? A to B, D. So distance traveled by resultant velocity here is VBR plus VR. Why VBR plus VR? Because river flow is along with the direction of boat with speed river. Is it clear? This is downstream part. Upstream means, as you said, right? Upstream means boat is moving in opposite direction to river, right? So boat wants to reach from B to A, same distance D. So VBR must be greater than VR, confirm. Then only will reach. Otherwise, river will push that boat backward. He will never reach point A again. He wants to reach boat, relative velocity of boat with speed river must be greater than VR. Please make it a note. So distance moved from B to A is what? D by resultant velocity VBR minus VR. Is it clear? Please copy it. Is it clear, ma? Very good. You understood. Very good. I am happy. Those who want to definition of upstream and downstream, please write down, ma. After copying this derivation, please write down. All of you, each and every student must understand, ma. If you're not following anything, please ask me again. I will see the chat box every time. While doing the problems, it will be, if you are implementing problems, it will be easy to understand the concept now. Yes, you can write upstream definition, downstream first. Write down downstream definition. Downstream definition, please write down. If the direction of boat with respect to river, if the direction of boat with respect to river is along the direction of river flow, if the direction of boat with respect to river, please write down. If the direction of boat with respect to river, downstream definition, please. Downstream definition, please write down. If the direction of boat with respect to river is along the direction of river flow, then it is said to be downstream. First point. Then it is said to be downstream. Next. Downstream definition is clear, ma? Okay. Please write down downstream definition. I'm repeating. If the velocity of boat with respect to river or direction of boat with respect to river, is along the direction of river or is in the direction of the river, is along or in, same meaning, ma, is along the direction of the river, then it is said to be downstream. Along the direction of the river, then it is said to be downstream. Is it clear? You must I will write this downstream definition on the board. If the direction of boat with respect to, WRT means with respect to river, is along the direction of flow of the river, then it is said to be downstream. Is it clear, all of you? Anything difficulty you are facing, please ask me, mama. Some students have asked to write, that's why I wrote here. Okay? If the direction of the boat with respect to river is along the direction of flow of the river, then it is said to be downstream. Is it clear? Yes, upstream definition also, please write it down. Upstream definition also, please write it down. Diagram you have drawn already. Definition, please write down. If the direction of boat, upstream definition likhiye. If the direction of boat with respect to river is in opposite direction of the flow of the river. Then it is said to be upstream. समझ में आ गया ना सभी को? Anything difficulty here now? Anything difficulty here now? Yes, VBR means relative velocity of boat with speed river. Yes, ma. Relative velocity of boat with speed river only. VBR means relative velocity of boat with respect to river only. Is it clear? Very good. Thank you. It's clear now? Yes. I am dropping this part. Is it clear? Thank you. Can I have the definitions? All of you have written. Have you written, ma? I will wait. Please wait. I will wait, ma. Please copy it, all of you. Can I have this part? I wrote all the formulas now. Time taken only I have written. I have written time taken formula already. You have copied now. This is the only formula here. Time taken in downstream, time taken upstream. I wrote the formulas here. Rain umbrella case, I will explain ma. Concept. Rain umbrella concept, I will explain. In this also, vector diagram is important, ma. Vector diagram is important. Rain, man, concept. See, here we have a term, VRM, velocity of rain with respect to man. VRM vector we represent here. That VRM is taken as velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to man. Right? Velocity of rain with respect to ground is VR. This is absolute velocity amount. Velocity of rain with respect to ground. In bracket I done absolute velocities. Actual velocities. Absolute velocity बोले तो actual velocity है. Velocity of man with respect to ground. Velocity of man with respect to ground means absolute velocity of man. Is it clear? Please write down these points first. VRM vector RM. R बोलो तो rain है इधर, river नहीं होता. Rain, R means rain, M means man here. So velocity of rain with respect to man. This is relative velocity of rain with respect to man. This is relative velocity of rain with respect to man, ma. Please note it down. These 3 points, please note it down. Rain man concept, under rain man concept, please write down this point first. First point VRM, next VRG, next VMG. Please note it down. Okay, ma'am, going very slowly, ma'am. Just I'm writing these points only. Very slowly I'm going here. I've written on the board. Please write down. You take some time to write. Nothing difficulty. Okay. Each and every student must understand, ma, please. Anything if you are not following, please ask me. Right hand means here only. I will explain again and again so that each and every student can understand. Mains and advanced level we'll discuss advanced level also. First to complete mains level cases. With respect to means, see, with respect to already we have seen river boat concept also. Boat with respect to river means you are sitting in the river, right? VBR. There also we have seen velocity of boat with respect to river means you are sitting in the river. Here velocity of rain with respect to man, with respect to man, how the rain is appearing. With respect to means appearing or relative. Appearing or relative. With respect to means appearing or relative velocity. Relatively is the meaning here. With respect to बोले तो उसके हिसाब से. अब देखिए कल एग्जांपल दिया था 2% के हिसाब से. 2 persons are there. One is taller than another person. How much taller means the difference you will do na. With respect to that person, he is this much taller. With respect to that person, he is this much shorter. With respect to, is it clear now? Appearing or relatively. Is it clear? With respect to बोले तो with respect to meaning समझ में आ गया ना सभी को? You understood now with respect to meaning? Right. Thank you. Have you copied this one? Second point. This is rain. VRG means velocity of rain with respect to ground. I am standing on the ground. Right? Rain is appearing to be falling. Rain is falling on the ground vertically, straight. गिर रहा है. Right? So rain with respect to ground, it is falling straight away like that. Actual velocity of the rain. Second point means here actual velocity of the rain with respect to ground. Right? Third point, actual velocity of man. Man, ठहरा हुआ है. Velocity of man is 0. Rain vertically fall कर रहा है. Umbrella को straight पकड़ना चाहिए. Straight पकड़ना चाहिए. No tilting, front or back. Okay? If rain is falling, straight vertically. So I will draw the diagram. Then only you can understand umbrella and man problem. Okay? First point. See, this is velocity of rain with respect to man. बोले तो man भाग रहा है. If he is running, he will tilt his umbrella in front. Rain is appearing to be falling at some angle theta. When I draw the diagram, you can understand still better, ma. First point, relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Second point, relative velocity of rain with respect to ground, absolute velocity. Third point, velocity of man with respect to ground. Is it clear? First point, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Relative velocity of man with rain with respect to man is VRG minus VMG. The velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. This point it should be clear, right? This equation also can write vrm is velocity of rain with respect to man is vr minus vg, sorry, vm. Is it clear? Yes, ma. This question they have asked last weekend, because on Friday we should complete that relative velocity concept. One basic concept they have asked, ma. No need to worry. We'll solve that problem also. Okay. This week total relative velocity concept is there, right? We should start laws of motion also. First we'll complete inclined plane projectile also. We have completed. Some special cases are there. We'll see. So again, these 3 points you understood now. These 3 points you understood now. I will explain in depth concept now. Okay, ma. Vector concept I will explain after completing this one. Okay, because means only offline classes will be going on where they will announce, because government has given time. I don't know. Management will prepare for that one. Okay, no need to worry now. Okay, I will explain vector concept again. Okay, those who want. I will not say anything regarding offline classes, ma, because management will announce offline classes when government will give the permission for them. Okay. Rain man concept. Listen, ma. All of you listen, please. Concentrate here. Please wait, ma. Upstream. This is the opposite direction to river flow is moving. Rain is falling vertically downward. Rain is falling vertically downward. Man is standing on the ground. He is catching an umbrella. See, man is at rest. Velocity of man with respect to ground is 0. And velocity of rain vertically downward. Velocity of rain with respect to ground is vertically downward. So in which direction he should catch his umbrella? Straight or angle? He should catch straight. Why? Because he's standing. Rain is falling vertically. I'm neglecting air. Air is not changing its direction here. I'm not considering airflow. I'm not considering airflow here, please. Okay? Rain is falling vertically downward. Man ठहरा हुआ है, umbrella है हाथ में. Umbrella switch on करके, he should catch umbrella vertically like this. Then only rain will not fall on him. Is it clear? The velocity of rain with respect to man will be what, ma, here? Vr minus Vm. Straight away I'm writing, because velocity of A with respect to B is what, ma? Velocity of A minus velocity of B with respect to ground. Is it clear? So velocity of rain with respect to man क्या होता है? Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So here velocity of man is 0. Why? Because man is standing still. That is first case I'm discussing here. That is first case. Man is standing still. Man is standing. Man is standing. Man is at rest. So velocity of man with respect to ground क्या हो जाएगा? 0. So velocity of rain with respect to man क्या दिखता है आपको? Velocity of rain with respect to ground ही दिखता है. देखिए. So rain कैसा fall कर रहा है? नीचे, vertically downward. He should catch his umbrella in this way only. Straight. Straight. What is the angle between umbrella and the vertical? 0. देखिए, straight fall कर रहा है. Umbrella, so velocity of rain. Umbrella जो है velocity of rain with respect to man. So opposite direction ऐसा catch करना है. So velocity of rain is falling like this. So velocity of rain is in this direction. He should tilt his umbrella in this direction only. Umbrella का direction ऐसा रहना चाहिए. Vertically. Umbrella shows the direction of VRM. Opposite direction of VRM. Umbrella को ऐसा tilt करना चाहिए. Is it clear? You should not tilt it. You should catch vertically in this case. First write down case 1. First write down case 1. Case 1. In Rain Man concept, case 1. When the rain, write down ma. I am writing here. When the rain, first case, case 1, when rain is falling vertically, when rain is falling vertically downwards, vertically downwards, and man is standing on the ground. This is first case ma. Man is standing on the ground. First case, देखिए, rain, I have drawn the dotted lines here. Rain is falling vertically downward. Man is standing. Man velocity is 0 here with respect to ground. So umbrella को ऐसा पकड़ना चाहिए. Straight. Please write down here. This diagram also please draw it. Is it clear? Here VRM is equal to VRG. How we got? Because man is at rest. Man is at rest. Is it clear? Man is at rest. That's why we got VRM equal to VG. VMG. Yes, VRG. Man is at rest is VMG is 0. He should not tilt his umbrella like this. If he's tilting, rain will fall vertically downward only. Vertically on him only. In order to avoid the rain, you should catch the umbrella straight. Is it clear? So always direction of umbrella is opposite direction to the velocity of rain with respect to man ma. Okay? Right. Is it clear? First thing is clear, all of you? Why VM is equal to VRG? VRM. It's not VRG. Here VRG is equal. VRM is equal to VM. VRM equal to VRG. It's clear now? Because VM is 0. That's why we got ma. Charminar student, is it clear? Is this clear ma? Please respond. Is this clear? Yes. Copy this diagram ma. First case we have done. I'll drink some water. Please copy this diagram. Please draw the diagram, ma. All of you. Diagram in the sense, umbrella, please write. umbrella को और ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से ड्रॉ करता हूं बाद में. So main thing is velocity of river, sorry, rain with respect to man is velocity of rain with man is velocity of man. Second case. Have you copied this one? First case, have you copied? V bar you can write now. You can copy. You understood now, all of you? You understood now, all of you? Thank you. Each and every student must understand, ma. Aram 0049. I think Mehripatnam student. 0049. It's not clear. It's not clear, ma. Why? Video is stuck. No. It is running properly. See here. I will explain once again. Rain is falling vertically downward. Man is standing still. He wants his fish on the umbrella. He should catch vertically straight, so that there is no rainfall on him. First case, man is at rest. Rain is falling vertically downward. Rain जो है vertically गिर रहा है. Air flow neglect करिए. Air is not flowing here. We are neglecting that air flow. Air की वजह से वो ऐसा flow होगा. Means rain can change the direction, but air is neglected here. Direction of air flow I am not considering. Is it clear now? Not 49. 0049. Is it clear now? Is it clear, ma? I am rubbing this case. Second case. Now man is running. Man is running with some velocity. That is different, ma. I will discuss the case. Okay? Man is running. Man, he was at rest initially. He's catching the umbrella. When rain is falling vertically downward. Now man is at rest initially. Now man starts running in this direction with the velocity Vm. Man is running in this direction. Rain is falling vertically downward only. When man is running, he should tilt his umbrella. He cannot catch vertically downward. When he is running, he should tilt his umbrella backward or front. That depends upon the direction here. Means velocity of rain with respect to ground is vertically downward only, or in this direction only. So first of all, please tell me here, velocity of rain with respect to man is what? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. Is it clear? Is this clear? Relative velocity of rain with respect to man? Rain with respect to man is vector equation I am writing here. Relative velocity of rain with respect to man is relative velocity of rain, absolute velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So here, velocity of rain with respect to ground. See here, it is downward direction. Velocity of man is in this direction. It is due east. I can write this as Vm I vector. Yes, it is in this direction. Right? So velocity of rain with respect to ground is in this direction, downward direction. So here, if I am completing the diagram here, velocity of rain with respect to ground is downward direction. Velocity of rain with respect to ground is downward direction. Minus velocity of man with respect to ground is in this direction, because minus sign is coming. Minus Vmg is in this direction. Means he should tilt his umbrella in this direction. This is VRM you will get. In VRM opposite direction, he should tilt his umbrella. He should run in this direction by tilting his umbrella such that there is no rain falling on him like this. He should tilt his umbrella in this way. In this direction. Means there is no rainfall on him now. When he run in this direction at an angle theta with the vertical like this, if I am constructing a right angle triangle here, tan theta is equal to Vm by what ma? Vm by Vr. This is the angle made by the umbrella. You should catch his umbrella at an angle theta with the vertical. Is it clear now? This point is clear. If air is there, what happens? I will explain ma. If air is there, what happens? I will explain later. Please understand. Then rain velocity will be different. Rain velocity will be different. It is not vertical in that case. Is it clear? I will explain here once again. See, initially man is at rest. Umbrella is catching vertically. Rain is falling on the umbrella. When he runs with a velocity Vm in this direction, along I direction, velocity of rain with respect to man is what? Velocity of rain minus velocity of man. Simply. Relative velocity of rain with respect to man is what? Vr minus Vm. Vr is vertically downward. I have drawn vertically downward Vr. Minus Vm. Minus Vm means in this direction is running. Minus Vm will be in opposite direction. So draw this vector triangle properly. This Vm will be in this direction. Why? Because minus Vm. Right? So umbrella must be in this direction. He should tilt his umbrella in front. ऐसा tilt करके ऐसा run करना चाहिए. It's not tilting backward. He should tilt in this way with the vertical. It's some angle theta. Right? That angle theta is given by right angle triangle OAB. From triangle OAB, tan theta is equal to AB by OB. What is AB? AB is velocity of man by velocity of rain. That's it. Is it clear now? These are the velocity of man with respect to ground and velocity of rain with respect to ground. Is it clear? Is this clear? Please draw the diagram. Second case, case 2. Write down. When man runs with a velocity Vm g with respect to ground, then he should tilt his umbrella as shown in the figure. Please draw the diagram. First write down this case 1. Case 2. It's clear all of you? It's clear, ma? You want me to explain once again? 677. Please note it down. Case 2. When the man is running with the velocity Vm with respect to ground, then he should tilt his umbrella. At an angle theta with a vertical. He should tilt his umbrella at an angle theta with a vertical. At an angle theta with the vertical. As what is the magnitude of velocity of rain with respect to man? In this case, this is the vector form we got. Magnitude you can calculate. Vrm mod is equal to under root of Vr square plus Vm square. Is it clear? Magnitude of Vrm is given by this one. Magnitude of Vrm is given by that formula. Vector, this is Vrm. Triangle, this is Vrm. Vrm direction will be opposite direction to umbrella. You can note that point. Direction of Vrm. We can note this point, star mark. Direction of Vrm must be in opposite direction to the umbrella position. VRM जो है इस तरफ आएगा, अम्ब्रेला पोजिशन ऐसा है. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? All of you? This is formula. Yes. Okay, 708. I will explain once again. Okay, I'm not rubbing, ma. You can copy it. When man runs with a velocity Vmg with respect to ground, then he should tilt his umbrella at an angle theta with a vertical as. Here, rain is falling vertically downward, ma. In order to get the direction of VRM, we have drawn the vector diagram. I will explain vector diagram again now. You understood, all of you? Okay, I will explain once again. Listen, ma. In same case, I will explain once again. Please wait. Same case, I will explain once again, ma. No need to worry. Simple concept, vector diagram you should understand properly. Say, man is standing. VMG is 0. Rain is falling vertically downward. Rain is falling. VRG is in this direction. He should catch his umbrella in this way, straight away. When VMG is 0, when he starts running, भाग रहा है with a velocity Vm in this direction, then velocity of man is to the ground, velocity of rain is vertically downward, angle theta. So this is velocity of rain with respect to man, and this is the angle with what umbrella I should catch when he is running, भाग रहा है. Okay, you understood now? Vector diagram, triangle I am drawing here. This is VR in this direction. Vm minus Vm will be in this direction, right? And VRM will be in this direction at an angle theta. So right angle triangle. So tan theta OAB. Tan theta OAB from this right angle triangle. Tan theta gives the angle AB by OB. That is AB is VM by VR. Okay. This theta is angle of tilting umbrella with respect to vertical. Now it's clear. Same case, I have drawn the diagram once again. It's clear now, all of you? It's clear, ma? AB is here in this right angle triangle. AB is this one, ma. This is AB. AB is VM. OB is VR. Okay? It's clear now? VR is negative only, but it's along negative bidirection. It's correct. It is negative only, negative bidirection only, and it's negative x direction. VM is opposite. Actually, VRM is equal to VR minus VM. To draw the vector diagram, I have taken VM as negative. Minus VM ना, that's why I have taken negative. Minus VM को VM ऐसा भाग रहा है. To draw the vector diagram, I have taken VM opposite. समझ में आ गया ना? VR I am not changing direction. This downward only. But VM का direction को मैं change कर रहा हूँ. Minus VM. Why? Because we have formula. VRM is VR minus VMG. So minus VMG का जो direction है, opposite कर रहा हूँ. In order to draw the vector diagram properly here, velocity of brain with respect to man, I have drawn vector diagram here. Understand it? Okay? Yes. Magnitude I wrote here already. VRM magnitude is under root of VR square plus VM square ma. Is it clear? वेक्टर डायग्राम समझ में आना चाहिए, नहीं तो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता. Magnitude also I found out, ma. Now it's clear. All of you, those who are not following, it's clear, all of you. Rain umbrella, rain man concept is clear now. Some more cases we'll see. While doing the problems, it will be easy to understand. We'll do one problem, ma. One problem in rain man concept. One problem in rain man concept. Please copy it. See, page number 174, 8th question. Yes. See this problem. This part is clear. Have you written these points? Magnitude point of view, you have written the formula. Please copy it. I am rubbing this one more. Case 2 I have explained clearly again. It's clear now, all of you. 677, 708, 00065. Is it clear? All of you? Is it clear, ma? Raise your hand. Oh, no, sorry, please. If you understood, please. If you're not understood, please chat with me. समझ में आ गया ना सभी को? Right, thank you. Now do this problem. After doing the problem, it will be easy to understand. Vector diagram, you should understand carefully, Amma. Then only you can enjoy the problems. Right, I am writing the question. Level 2 का problem करेंगे. Level 2. Eighth problem, 174 page number 174. Eighth problem, just see it. Eighth problem, level 2, class work. Okay. A man is walking due east at the rate of. Man is walking. Man velocity is given due east. ये देखिए ये नॉर्थ है, ये ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है, ये साउथ डायरेक्शन है, ये वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. Man is walking due east in this direction with a velocity 2 kilometers per hour. So I direction is moving in this direction. I velocity of man with respect to ground is east. Okay. Rain appears means relative velocity, amma. Whenever, you should understand this point. Whenever in a problem, if appearing velocity is given, it is relative velocity only. Relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Understand this point. कभी भी appearing बोल के दिया है प्रॉब्लम में appearing velocity बोल के दिया है, वो velocity जो है relative velocity of rain with respect to man रहना चाहिए. So rain appears to be to him to come down vertically at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. So velocity of rain with respect to man क्या है? 2 kilometers per hour downward direction. बोलो तो negative j direction ठीक है. Downward direction बोल के लिख रहा हूं. South direction. Vertically fall कर रही है जैसा दिख रहा है. Rain जो है when he is running with a velocity so and so, rain is appearing to be falling vertically. He should tilt his umbrella straight only in that case. So what is asking? The actual velocity and direction of the rainfall with the vertical respectively. So he's asking actual velocity of rain. He's asking actual velocity of rain with respect to ground and angle theta made with the vertical. Angle theta made with the vertical. With the vertical by the rain. Angle theta made by the rain also. He is asking what, ma? Actual velocity and direction of rainfall with the vertical. Direction of rainfall is also asking. So given things are two things. Velocity of man with respect to ground, velocity of rain with respect to man he has given, and he is asking velocity of rain with respect to ground and theta. So vector diagram you should understand. Vector diagram you should understand here. First write it down. appearing means always relative velocity only. Appearing velocity बोले तो relative velocity है. Is it clear? Appearing velocity means relative velocity only. Is it clear, all of you? All of you, is it clear? Right. Now I complete the vector diagram here. Right. This part I am rubbing. Vector diagram here, please. So VRM is 2 kilometers per hour in downward direction. It is east direction. Okay. So VRM is what my basically simple formula relative velocity of rain with speed to man. बोलो तो क्या बताया था मैं? Velocity of rain with speed to ground minus velocity of man with speed to ground. That's it. Over. From here I can calculate velocity of rain with speed to ground. See, VRM जो दिया गया आपको ये दिया गया 2 meters per second in downward direction, and VM is given eastward direction. Is it clear? So velocity of rain with speed to ground क्या लिखा जाता है आपको? Velocity of rain with speed to man plus velocity of man with speed to ground. I am taking this one this side. That's it. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Vector sum. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please respond. I am seeing the chat box. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Yes. So here VRM. So here VRM is what, ma? 2J minus. Here plus VMG. VMG is what? 2I vector. So VRG is in this direction. Vector form, we wrote 2I minus 2J. This is VRG we got now. He is not asking vector form. He is asking magnitude form. That is mod of under root of 2 square plus 2 square minus 2 whole square. You will get plus 2 square only. That is root 4 plus 4. You will get root 8. That is 2 root 2. VRG is 2 root 2. Angle is also asking. So angle theta with the vertical, tan theta with the vertical, horizontal by vertical. So what will get, ma? Copy this diagram. Write on the equation. With the vertical means 1 theta equal 45 degrees is correct answer. With the vertical answer should be 2 root 2 kilometers per hour. 2 root 2 kilometers per hour with the vertical. That is answer. Please do it vectorially. I hope it's clear, all of you. It's clear, all of you. It's clear now. 708. 677. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Yes, please copy it. This vector really I have done, ma, totally. It is not a difficult thing. I am stopping here now. Okay. Thank you.